This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Vermont. 1. Hike to the summit of Mount Mansfield, the highest peak in Vermont. Standing at 4,393 feet, Mount Mansfield is the state's tallest mountain, and the Sunset Ridge Trail offers day hikers a classic alpine experience with sweeping views from the dramatic chin and nose shaped by ancient geology. You can scramble across exposed ridges, marvel at subalpine wildflowers blooming in the short summer, and feel an incredible sense of accomplishment at the top, where the Green Mountains spread out like a rumpled green blanket. According to my experiences, no matter how many other peaks you've climbed, the final push along the rocky, wind-swept crest of Mansfield, with the Lake Champlain Valley glittering far below, feels like a true New England rite of passage. 2. Criss-cross the Green Mountains on legendary scenic byways. Vermont's byways are more than just roads. They are living postcards that capture the heart of the state, and Route 100, the crown jewel, stretches 146 miles through the spine of the Green Mountains. This route, named one of the most romantic and scenic drives in America, treats drivers to a constantly changing tableau of white church steeples, storybook villages, and rushing rivers, with the foliage in autumn transforming the hills into a spectacular canvas of gold and crimson. You can see why a road trip here encourages you to roll down your windows and take your time. Every winding curve leads to a mouth-watering roadside farm stand, or a sign pointing to a covered bridge begging to be photographed. 3. Stroll the cobblestone charm of Church Street Marketplace in Burlington. The vibrant heart of Vermont's largest city is Church Street Marketplace, a bustling, pedestrian-only promenade where 19th century architecture frames a lively mix of independent bookstores, and the inviting scent of farm-to-table restaurants and coffee roasters fills the air. Street musicians add a cheerful soundtrack as you browse local art galleries, pop into historic shops, and take in the energy of a quintessential New England downtown that feels both urbane and wonderfully friendly. Here is a perfect way to spend a few hours. Grab a locally roasted coffee, people watch from a shaded bench, and then wander toward the shores of Lake Champlain, where a stunning waterfront park and bike path await. 4. Ski or ride the legendary slopes of Stowe and Smugglers Notch. When winter blankets the mountains, Vermont becomes a world-class ski destination, and few places capture the magic better than Stowe, where you can carve over 100 trails across spruce-draped slopes with the iconic white spire of the Mount Mansfield Chapel in the valley below. After a day of powder, the après-ski scene is just as inviting, with historic lodges and cozy pubs offering steaming bowls of chili and local craft beer. According to my experiences, there's nothing quite like the quiet, meditative rhythm of cross-country skiing or snowshoeing, and the region's vast network of VAST, Vermont Association of Snow Travelers, trails lets you glide silently through silent pine forests and pristine meadows. 5. Discover the Smithsonian of the North at the Shelburne Museum. Spanning 45 acres and home to 39 historic buildings, the Shelburne Museum is a world-class collection of Americana that feels like a storybook village brought to life. You can wander through a preserved 19th century steamship, marvel at an incredible assortment of folk art, and explore a round barn filled with vintage carriages and horse-drawn sleighs, all while the scent of heirloom roses lingers in the sunny gardens. This is the kind of place where you lose track of time, moving from a dazzling collection of impressionist paintings to a massive carousel made entirely of hand-carved circus animals, each building offering a new surprise. 6. Step into a postcard at Hildene, the gorgeous Lincoln family home. Perched on a hilltop overlooking the Battenkill Valley, Hildene was the beloved summer estate of Robert Todd Lincoln, the eldest son of President Abraham Lincoln, and today it is preserved as a stunningly intact 412-acre historic site. You can tour the gleaming 24-room Georgian Revival Mansion, where the original furnishings, family photographs, and even Robert Lincoln's 1928 Pierce Arrow sedan remain in place, offering a rare and intimate peek into early 20th century life. You can see why the views are as impressive as the history. The formal gardens, laid out in a peacock's tail pattern, lead the eye to a metal sundial that once belonged to Mary Todd Lincoln, and the on-site observatory barn houses a meticulously restored tracker pipe organ. 7. Get a taste of liquid gold on a maple syrup and farm tour. Vermont produces more than half of the nation's maple syrup, and a visit to a working sugar house is a truly authentic sensory experience, especially during late winter and early spring's sugaring season. From my experience watching steam billow from the sugar shack as sap is boiled down into a rich, amber syrup, and then tasting a drizzle of it warmed over fresh snow to make a creamy, sweet candy, is a ritual that connects you to generations of Vermont farmers. Many farms, like the family-run Morse Farm in Montpelier, offer guided tours that explain the entire process, from tapping the tree to bottling the finished product, and the tastings are generous and delicious. 8. Paddle, swim, or sail on the pristine waters of Lake Champlain. Stretching 120 miles and often called America's sixth Great Lake, Lake Champlain offers endless opportunities to get out on the water, from peaceful paddles in hidden coves to thrilling windsurfing sessions that harness the valley's famous breezes. You can rent a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard at one of the many launch points along the Burlington waterfront, gliding past the majestic sailboats that dot the horizon, with the rugged peaks of the Adirondacks forming a stunning backdrop. Here is a perfect summer afternoon. Beach your boat on a sandbar, take a refreshing swim in the clean, fresh water, and then explore the Lake Champlain Maritime Museum to learn about the 300 known shipwrecks, including the famed Spitfire and the Revolutionary War gunboat Philadelphia. 9. Follow the Vermont Beer and Culinary Trail to world-class breweries. With the highest number of craft breweries per capita of any state in the country, Vermont is a true beervana, and even a short drive will lead you to globally acclaimed spots like Hill Farmstead, whose tap room consistently tops international best brewery lists. But the real charm is in the journey. The Mad River Valley and Stowe are packed with innovative and friendly brew houses, and you can create your own biking and brewing route that winds past covered bridges and working farms, with opportunities to sample sharp cheddar, stop for wood-fired pizza, or sip hard cider at a rustic orchard. This is the kind of progressive, farm-to-glass experience that Vermont does best. Many tap rooms feature on-site kitchens or food trucks serving meals made from local produce, and the staff are as passionate about the ingredients as they are about the beer. 10. Explore Vermont's picturesque gems, Woodstock, Montpelier, and the Ketchie Gorge. You haven't experienced Vermont until you've wandered the streets of a classic small town, and Woodstock, often called the prettiest in America, delivers with its soaring white steeples, covered bridge, and the opulent Woodstock Inn anchoring a picture-perfect village green. A short drive away, Montpelier, the state's charmingly compact capital, offers the Granite State House with its gold leaf dome, alongside cozy bookshops and farm-to-table restaurants that feel like they were made for a restorative lunch break. You can see how the historic downtowns blend seamlessly with nature. The Quetchie Gorge, Vermont's own Little Grand Canyon, plunges 165 feet just minutes from Woodstock, with a state park offering spectacular views from a pedestrian bridge and hiking trails that lead to the river below.